Found me on TikTok. I love the clients that find me on TikTok. So this guest is here for a little bit of gray blending, a little pop to her color right now. Right now, if you look close, she's got some really pretty gray. Like, I'm obsessed with the grays. But everything else is kind of drab right now. If you look at her skin color and her eye color, she needs a little bit of a cooler blonde in here. So what I'm gonna do is a bunch of highlights in the right places, and then this is gonna act as her dimension. I am so excited. Are you excited?
I am.
Yay! Flash lift, baby, with the bonder inside. What's wrong with me? I don't know. Oh, oops. Honestly, Redken, what is this thing? What is this? I don't care. I will bypass this thing because this stuff is incredible. Flash lift with the bonder. Here, you're out of a minute. Okay. Look at that consistency, baby. Like butter. So this is your basic, very fine foil. I don't like to have a whole lot of hair in this section because I want even saturation. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm flip the hair and flip it over, and I want you to notice I'm barely touching this foil, okay? Barely touching the foil. This is when I'm gonna lay down her lightener. This is so important. You see, I'm not even touching the foil. Where most people mess up and where they have bleed marks is because they're touching the foil too dang much. Okay, I'm gonna fold you. I'll fold you again. Ba-boom, done. Okay, I've done the back and the sides, and now I'm actually gonna show my beautiful new assistant here, Cameron, how to do the front, because she has not been doing it the way this I'm going to show you, and it's been hurting her back and hurting the client's neck. So what I like to do is bring the client towards me and almost straddle them, yes, and then push them down. And then this is when you go right back into your foil, and you're going to foil all the way top, easy peasy. Note, I typically do not use any heat on my guests. So when we are taking out the foils, we start with the first foil that we put in to the last. Look at that. Can you believe I just did highlights? Her natural grays are just really perfectly blended in. We'll turn you around all the way. Look at that. Woo! So gorgeous, so gorgeous.